In today's video, we're going to be sharing with you our favorite lash styles for New Year's Eve. New Year's Eve is all about the glam. We know this, so we've got some lash styles to match. One of our favorite styles for New Year's Eve I am wearing right now. These are the Baddy Lashes. So our Baddy Lash is similar to our Flashy Lash, but it has a little more length. Baddy Lash is part of our mink collection, and as you can tell from the side, they're super curled and super wispy and beautiful. They're going to be the best lashes to open up your eyes. Our next favorite lash for New Year's Eve is the Flirty Lash. So the Flirty Lash is a beautiful faux mink, but it's designed to look like real mink. These are perfect for the girl with medium to large eyes. They're super wispy and kind of give you that cat eye effect. All right, so next up, we love the Baby Lash for New Year's Eve. For those of you out there who don't want to go super bold, but you want to add a little bit of extra something to your lashes, Baby Lash will be literally perfect for you. You can see that it just adds a tiny touch of glam on the outer corners of your lashes and totally amps up your look, but by doing just a little bit. This is our most universal lash and it will fit all different eye shapes. It really just adds that kind of extra pop to your look. And last but not least, our favorite lash for New Year's Eve is the Sexy Lash. It does just that, makes you feel sexy, which I feel like is a good thing to do on New Year's Eve. They're tapered in full and they are faux mink as well. These lashes also give you that kind of cat eye effect. They are tapered, so they're gonna really kind of draw attention to your eyes. That is it for our favorite lash styles for New Year's Eve. We hope you have an amazing and safe New Year's Eve and a great start to the new year. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up down below and make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you're notified anytime we post so you never miss a video. We'll see you next time.